To enable or disable call captions on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all we need to go to the phone app. Once we open the phone app, we should be able to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner or somewhere below. And then we're gonna go to settings. Now, once we open settings, we should be able to find call captions option in here. And of course, we should be able to turn it on or turn it off pretty easily. Also, there is a chance that if you go over here, you can choose, or you will have to select the language that you need to download in order to be able to use call captions. So of course, you want to choose your language and press OK. And there we go. Now, if needed, we need to install it and just wait for the installation to be done. And once it is done, and once it is installed, then we should be able to tap outside of this menu and we can try to turn it on again. And there we go. If needed, we can tap on language in order to change it or download new ones. So that's all. Leave a like and subscribe.